And in this video we are putting together the pumpkin latte box card. This is a pretty simple box card, super cute. These two pieces here, this is the box, the outside piece. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these so that we can work with the layers. And you do just want to make sure that you put these two pieces together straight. There we are. Okay, so let's set that aside for a minute. This piece will go on the front, and it's to curve our edges here. Okay, so we can just go ahead and we can put these together. But this piece I'm not going to put on until after everything else is done. I have inked the edges with some Jumbo Java. My ink pad has gotten fairly worn, so I just use it directly on my piece. And one side of each of these pieces has a curve and the other end is straight. The straight edge is the bottom. Just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to set this aside. We don't need that for a few minutes. There is one more piece that goes on it. I just spotted it. This is for the sentiment on the back. So just put that together. This also has an edge. That's why I didn't add dimension to these pieces, because there is this piece that goes over the top of them all. And the handle will go on after it's all put together. So this is the cinnamon stick. And then we have our whipped cream and caramel topping. It'd be cool if you had like some of those ink sprays and you could spray the Cool Whip with like a reddish brown to be powdered cinnamon on there. That would look really neat, I think. I don't have any spray inks, but I think that would look pretty cool. And so these just layer up. I wanted to have my layers going from bottom to top. You could do it the opposite way if you wanted. And then the caramel topping. Yum. All right. And I'm just going to fold my tabs here. Then this is going to go together the way that I do all of my box cards. I'm just going to lay this right inside. I'm going to put it right up against this edge of the side. I will put glue on it, and then I'm just going to glue that like that. Okay. So you want it out flat. I'm laying it against the back of the card right into the fold of the side, and then just apply some pressure. Okay, we're going to do this again. This time we're going to put it right up against the inside layer. Okay, we're going to fold it over. So put glue just on your tab. Now, to glue the other side, you see that I folded this. These are all folded down. And then you want to keep this, and then we're just going to put glue on those tabs and press them to the side, okay? So don't get the glue too close to your score line because you don't want it to ooze onto the piece in front of it or behind it. We just want to glue those pieces themselves. So again, this is where, so my whole side is laying down flat. And then just apply pressure here. Now fold it the other way. And then we can put glue on this tab and close it up. Fold it back and forth, get it working. Now while we've got the back right here, let's just go ahead and put our sentiment tag on the back. There we are. Now for the front, you're just going to line up your curves here to the curves, and it's just going to glue right like that. I would put the glue on this piece since this one does have a hangover on each side. That way you won't have messy glue showing from behind. And you won't accidentally glue it to the side. So I'm just lining it up here to the bottom. There we go. Now, you see there is an edge, and so we're going to take this, and we're going to glue this right to the edge. It's just going to glue flat. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue here on the underside of this one. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here because I want my handle like a ceramic mug to wrap around to the front. And then glue that like that. Okay, so there's, and I put my pieces in backwards. The Cool Whip should be in the front. So let's see. So I will have to salvage that. Put your Cool Whip in the front, because otherwise you see that stick going down. That looks silly. Your Cool Whip should be in front. Can't believe I did that. Then I'm just going to tack my little leaf here. And there is the pumpkin latte box card. Thank you.